Law is a living, breathing entity. Every week, courts deliver decisions that shape the way we understand justice, rights, and precedent. But are you keeping up? 233 Legal presents Case of the Week, breaking down real cases 1 week at a time. For law students, mastering case law is non-negotiable. Imagine walking into your next lecture knowing the latest landmark decision, ready to engage, ready to impress. For legal practitioners, the Case of the Week section keeps you updated on critical rulings that impact practice and legal interpretation. Concise case summaries, no fluff, just key facts, legal principles, and judgments. Expert analysis. Understand why a case matters and how it affects legal practice. Relevance to your career and studies. Direct links to your coursework and real-world application. Whether you are preparing for exams, writing legal opinions, or just passionate about the law, this is your weekly advantage. Don't just study the law, stay ahead of it. Visit the Case of the Week section on all our socials today, because every great lawyer starts with knowing the right case. Don't miss out on legal knowledge that matters. Visit 233legal.com and subscribe to the Case of the Week. Your legal advantage awaits. 233 Legal, the law through expert voices.